Hi folks, welcome back to Rana Sam YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about one other very vital topic. If you want to practice and ways to want to come in digital marketing industry, so this video is very beneficial for you. To be honest, if I talk about in this video, we will not talk about any specific topic as any specific question. I will share my personal experience, what I have been seen in this industry since last 2 years, and in this video I will share around 5 to 7 point and 5 to 7 point, and I will make sure at the end of the video I have shared my complete experience, what I have seen in this industry and what's going on in this industry. Before starting this video, I would like to tell you I'm going to introduce some another thing on my YouTube channel, and I'm thinking right now how I can introduce some another thing on my YouTube channel, and I made a proper plan, but if I talk about the remaining part, I have only remaining part to how I can introduce my next plan on my YouTube channel. And first of all, if I will ask one question, how is going your 2024? So basically in this video we will talk about if I talk about the today question, how was my last year 2023. So basically in this video I will tell you how was my experience as a digital marketer, and what I have seen in digital marketing industry, which thing you have to learn, which thing you have to improve in as a digital marketer. So that's why I'm recording this video, because I want to share my understanding, my knowledge to everyone who want to come in digital marketing industry. So let's start. If I talk about the first point in this video, how was my experience as a digital marketer in this industry. So to be honest, it's pretty good as a digital marketer. I'm working in this industry since last 2 years. It was pleasure to me, because I have learned lots of things in this industry, and I have seen lots of changes in this industry. Because I would like to tell you something very special. If you want to come in digital marketing industry, as you know, because digital marketing is pretty creative and pretty changes industry. So that's why I will recommend it. If you are not a pretty creative person, you are not a learner, so I will recommend you to please think about something else, because digital marketing completely digital marketing always changes the industry, so you have to update yourself every day. So as we recently talking about, I'm talking about how was my experience as a digital marketer. So it pleasure to me. I have learned lots of things in digital marketing industry, lots of things, and I have implement those things as a practical, and I have also grown rapidly in this industry. So it was a pleasure to me as a digital marketer. But having said that, this industry is completely belong to those person who always wanted to upgrade themselves. So that's why I will suggest you. Otherwise, in this industry does not have any kind of fear. If you are a upgrade person, you always keen to learn something new as a person. So this industry always always want to welcome for you. But if you are not a upgrade person, so I will always recommended you, please think about something else. If I talk about how I did start 2023, so as usual I have around 2 or 3 clients. So I was working on those clients as usual. And I did and I have learned lots of things in 2020. I recently told you, like GTM and Google Analytics. I'm also working. I'm also learning those things right now, because as a digital marketer, you cannot say I am a proper digital marketer. Things always changes, and you have to improve yourself. You have to upgrade yourself. So I and that and this is my 2023, how I did it start start my 2023. If I talk about how I finish my 2023, so it was pleasure to me in 2023. I have learned lots of things as usual. I recently told you learn lots of things, and I have implemented those things as a practical, and I have made lots of plan what I wanted to want to achieve in 2024 in December. I will make the video on specific video on this question, how what is my plan in 2024, how which thing I want to achieve in 2024. So this is not actually if I talk about the as a digital marketer. So 2023 pleasure to me. I myself also grow lots of things, lots of in 2023. So if I talk about the fourth point in this video, my biggest achievement, to be honest, if I talk about my biggest achievement skill, if I talk about my communication skill, so you can see or you see on self when I did upload my first video. I cannot speak one word ahead of the camera. To be honest, to be honestly, I don't have I don't have an idea how I can speak ahead of the front of the camera. But right now I can improve gradually. I am working on it because to be honest, one thing I knew very early in digital marketing industry, if you don't have good communication skills so you cannot survive in this era. To be honestly, your salary also stuck sometimes, you can your salary stuck sometime, and your performance will be might be down on the behalf of communication skills. That sometimes person will not, sometimes person not see look you at whenever they have the task for you, because that's why I'm telling you the communication is very important. So if you want to come digital marketing industry, not digital marketer, anyone, so you have to work on it anyhow. If I talk about the fifth point, my biggest failure, so honestly, if I talk about the biggest failure, so to be honest, I have lots of failure in 2023, and I'm working. I did work on those failure, and I have improved gradually on those failure. And I'm recently working on it, and improving those skills gradually. Because as you know, we cannot learn anything in overnight. So that's why we have to put our effort every day, every night, every evening, and we have to improve -1%, and -1% will be a change +1, and +1 will be change definitely +2. This is the process of our life. If you want to come if you want to learn anything, I'm not talking about right now digital marketer. If you want to become anything, so you have to sorry, you have to improve yourself gradually, not rapidly. So this was my biggest failure, and I'm working on those skills which I have right now as a failure. If I talk about how was my learning so to be honest, I have learned lots of things in 2023, like GTM, Google Analytics, and agency analytics, and we have lots of stuff. I could not define everything in this video because time dependency. So that's why and I have learned more of things, like how we can create the report for client. So this is a basic process which I have learned in 2023. If I talk about the how which thing what I recommended did you as a digital marketer. If you want to become in digital marketing industry, so I will tell you three important things if you want to become a good digital marketer. The first thing, discipline is very important in this industry. To be honest, because I'm working in digital marketing industry since last 2 years, so I have pretty good idea. So if I talk about the second thing, learning is always key as a digital marketer. So if you don't have if you are not a good learner, so please go ahead somewhere. If I talk about the third thing, you have to believe in yourself. If you don't have belief in yourself, so who will be? To be honest, so believe in yourself and do something every day, and learn something every day. So this is my personal recommendation to everyone. If I talk about what I want to do in 2024, so I want to do some courses in 2000, share with everyone, but I will mention in description box my personal goal, which thing I want to achieve in 2024. Like I recently told you, I wanted to do some courses in 2024, like social media. And if I talk about the one specific thing, at least I want to learn one specific thing in 2024, like social media marketing, या content marketing. So this is my personal plan. So that's all in this video. If you have any issue regarding this video, please let me know in the comment box. Yeah, if you want to make the video on their specific question, so please let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much. Bye bye.